What's popping? I'm K Rosette and welcome back to my channel. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you an eyebrow and eyeshadow tutorial. Then for my full face, I did a review of using this product, Smudge. So it's going to be separate videos. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that your eyebrows are well groomed before trying to draw your eyebrows. So what I use is this razor. Eyebrows. I normally start at the corner like this. Do you see the angle I'm holding the razor blade? And I go in with this brush. Then I try to remove excess hair like that. I'm slightly moving the razor so that I don't cut myself. Then I brush to check if I still have long hair. Okay, cool. So remove that petroleum jelly so that we can start with drawing our eyebrows. Your mascara brush, spoolie, or whatever you're using, have to brush your eyebrows upwards. So you can either use any soap that you have, or I've seen some people using got to be glue. You can also use a lash eyebrow gel. Then wait for the soap to dry up a bit. Pencil. Use a sharp pencil to draw your eyebrows. So I normally start at the arch here. Then I draw another line here at the top. Then join the two lines. After that, fill in the gap. If you have small lashes like me, eyebrows, then here, then to fill in the rest of my eyebrow, I draw a line. Then I just fill in. So the eyebrow has to be on this length. It doesn't have to cross this borderline. I don't know what it is. It's not a borderline, but yeah. Personally, I don't like long eyebrows. Then take a spoolie. Then just brush your eyebrows. Or you can use an old mascara brush. Whatever you have, just use that. Then to define the corner, because I feel like it's not visible enough, I just go back again with my pencil. Don't worry, we'll fix the shape with the concealer when we are done. Then you just brush it in front. Make sure that you brush thoroughly, because otherwise you're gonna have a square eyebrow, which is not cute. So if you don't want to do like a full face makeup, you can just use your foundation. Preferably don't use a concealer, because otherwise you're gonna have harsh lines and that won't be cute. So to do the top part, I start at the corner. Then to fix the shape, I go back again with my pencil. Take your blender sponge to remove the product if you're going for a more natural look. I mean, if you're not planning to use foundation and all of and everything else, like I don't like the shape, I just go in with my gel and just to define the corner, because sometimes it doesn't show. Now I'm finally done with my eyebrows. I know they don't look the same, but they're not twins, but they are cousins. Okay, guys, I don't like the corner here, so I think I'm gonna go again and brush here because I feel like it's too dark. Okay, so I was not actually planning to do a full makeup tutorial, but then I bought a new eyeshadow palette and I bought some new stuff, foundation and all of that, so I want to try that. So I think I have to use that primer for what's that, to cut the crease, and not this. Then I'm going with my wet damp beauty blender. Damp. Okay, start with this shade and I'll blend out with this one.
So I start by applying a darker shade on my eyelid. Then to blend it out, I'm using a lighter shade. Also, I'm using a fluffy blending brush.
To cut the crease, I'm using this concealer. Then I'll firstly apply it here. So this is where it should end, right? Oh, I almost forgot. So when I'm using this Vaseline in this, then I'm rotating this so it can collect the...
Shout out to Trans Hood Soul for allowing us to use his bead. I will link his IG and everything on the description box.
Then I use a clean side.
gonna get it, never 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 gonna. I'm gonna use this color here to close there, so that because you know glitter sometimes it makes spaces and all of that, which is not cute. So I'll use this white here in front just to set the concealer. Be using, I think I'm gonna use this color and this white. So there are two methods that I normally use to apply glitter or shimmer eyeshadows. I either use my fingertips or I spray my brush. Now that our brush is a bit wet, take like, guys, I swear when I'm done here I'll be popping, like, wow. Add little drama. I'm gonna use this here to define the part where I cut the crease. Okay, you don't have to do this. This step is actually optional. But then I bought this like a long time ago, and I've been waiting to use it. This look, I'm gonna go back with this, use this shade, mix it with this one here below. Sorry guys, I wasn't aware that the mirror, it was blocking your view. Loves, this is the final look. Thank you for watching me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Till we meet again, I love you, popping crew. Bye.